Do you want to know?
Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Blazing Ivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. And in this channel, I make video on beauty, DIY skincare, and hair care. So if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button down there and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to click on your notification icon so you don't miss out any of my new video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a DIY skincare routine for your skin, and I'll be using egg and Vaseline. We all know Vaseline and we all know eggs, and egg is something we can find in our kitchen every time. This face mask have a lot of benefits and is suitable for all skin type, especially if you are a dry skin type. And also some of the benefits that this face mask will do on your face is it will reduce wrinkles, it serves as anti-aging property, and it also reduce dark spots on your face and make your face soft and smooth. So if this video sound like something you want to watch, keep watching. And also let's get straight. Vaseline is a petroleum gel and oil-based product. It's used to lock in moisture and hydrate your skin, especially if you are a dry skin type. Vaseline is used to soften out dry skin and also elevate shade, and it helps to heal wounds. So if you have used Vaseline before, you know that Vaseline is very powerful in healing wounds. I have used it to heal wounds several times, and I use it as a moisturizer, especially if I'm tired of doing my skincare, if I'm tired of going through the stress of my skincare, because it do take some time. I will just wash my face and apply my Vaseline direct on my face and then go to bed. So it's very powerful. It contains oil, it contains petroleum gel, which make your face soft and hydrated. I'll be using. So egg contains protein. Egg white firm your skin by remove excessive dirty oil and dead cell on your face. It eliminates blackheads. It will reduce puffiness under your eyes here. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fat, which make it water abiding agent, which helps to nourish and lock in moisture on your face, leaving your face soft and supply. And egg yolk is a skin wonder for people that have dry skin. So if your skin is super dry, go for egg yolk. And rice flour is used to lighten and whiten your skin. So I've been mixing this to the egg and Vaseline to make the paste very thick consistency. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and let's get started on how to make the face mask. I'm using a whole egg yolk and then some parts of the egg whites, because I'm not going to use all the egg whites. So a teaspoon of Vaseline. I'll put some teaspoon. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then I'll just put 1 teaspoon of rice flour in it. I think that one is too small. I'll put 2 teaspoons of rice flour. Guys, here is the mixture I got. So here, don't to bend it too much so that I don't end up pouring out. So here is a mixture. So here is the mixture of what I got. Can you see that? I don't want to bend it too much so I don't end up pouring everything out. So I'll just go ahead and apply it on my face. And I'm using this brush here. You can use your hand, but I prefer to use my brush and then just dip it and then apply it. Make sure you apply it on a clean, dry face.
No stranger to pain. It's never ending. It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.
So I will concentrate on this my forehead because that is where I have some breakouts there. So I'll just concentrate there and apply more in that area. The leftover, I'll just put it in a container, leave it in the fridge, and then apply it on my face. And I try to use this twice in a week for effective results. Just for 20 minutes or till everything is dried off. Then I'll wash it off with lukewarm water and then apply my moisturizer. So stay tuned. So guys, it's not up to 20 minutes, but the whole of my face is dried off. The paste I applied is dried off. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see that. You can see how dry my face is. You can see that I can freely touch it. So once the one you apply your face is this way, just wash it off. So I'll go and wash it off now and use my moisturizer. So guys, I've washed my face. I first of all rinsed all the paste off using lukewarm water. Then I went in with my face soap and then wash it very well. So you can see, so my skin looks so revamped. So you can see that you can try this at home and you can use it twice in a week too for effective results. Don't use it once and stop and then expect good results. So you go to use it once in a week or twice in a week for effective results. So now I'll go in with my face moisturizer. And here is the moisturizer I'll be using. I just apply it on my face to avoid my face over dry because I have a dry skin, so my face needs a moisturizer always. Then I'll just apply my moisturizer. So I see going in again with my moisturizer.
My life, the prize.
So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this video and hope you will try it out at home. And if you have not subscribed, kindly hit on the red subscribe button down there and click on the notification icon so you don't miss out any of my new video. And also feel free to share with your friends, and this might be of help to someone out there. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.